Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a 2-mark question from Polynomials chapter. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial p of y is equal to y square minus 5y plus 3, then find the value of alpha to the power of 4 times beta cube plus alpha cube times beta to the power of 4. Now in this question it has been mentioned that alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. We have to find out what is the value of the given expression. So let us begin by writing the general form of a quadratic polynomial, and this is quadratic because the highest power of y is 2. So the general form of quadratic polynomial is given as ax square plus bx plus c. Now if we compare the given polynomial with the general form, we can see that in place of x square we have y square, in the place of x we have y, and in the place of c we have a constant. Now by comparing these two equations, we can say that the value of a, that is the coefficient of x square, is equal to 1 because y square has a coefficient 1 over here. Now here b is the coefficient of x and here the coefficient of y is negative 5. So by comparison, b becomes equal to negative 5, and in place of constant we have 3. So we have written c is equal to 3. Now let us write down the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros in terms of alpha and beta and the coefficients. So the sum of zeros is given as alpha plus beta in terms of zeros is equal to negative b over a. Now here we have got the value of b as negative 5. So alpha plus beta becomes equal to minus of minus 5 over the value of a is 1. So here alpha plus beta becomes minus of minus 5, that is plus 5. Similarly, the product of zeros is given by the relationship alpha beta is equal to c over a. Now the value of c we have got as 3. And value of a is 1. So alpha times beta becomes 3 over 1, or we can just write it as 3. Now once we have got this, let us focus on the given expression. Now alpha raised to 4 times beta cube plus alpha cube times beta raised to 4 can be written as, now alpha to the power of 4 is alpha multiplied by itself 4 times beta cube becomes beta multiplied by itself 3 times plus, now alpha cube is again alpha multiplied by itself 3 times beta raised to 4 becomes beta multiplied by itself 4 times. Now let us pull out the common factors. Now here we can see that 3 alphas from the first term and 3 alphas from the second term are common, and 3 betas from the first term and 3 betas from the second term are common. So here let us pull them out. So this becomes alpha cube times beta cube, and inside the bracket remains alpha plus beta. Now alpha cube beta cube can be also written as alpha times beta the whole cube, this is by using the laws of indices, times the bracket alpha plus beta. Now alpha times beta we have got the value as 3, so we are going to plug in the value as 3 cube times alpha plus beta we had got here as 5. So here 3 cube becomes 27 times 5. So 27 times 5 gives us the value of the expression as 135. So this is the value of alpha raised to 4 times beta cube plus alpha cube times beta raised to 4. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.